Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a Truckerized tune-up report for Chad in Louisiana. It's RCI 69 base. Chad, we got you ready to go, all our mods. This thing is ready to rock and roll. Let's just get right to it real quick. Just kind of want to show you what's going on with it. 50 watt slug here. 50 watt slug. 1.5 watts all the way down. That way you have full adjustability if you decide to run an amp. 12 all the way up. Show you average power swing. Hello, 44 bird average. 100 watt slug in peak. Hello, 1, 2, audio, 1, 2, audio. Hello. About 95 PEP. All right, Chad, gonna get it up to you. Got your high cut noise filter right here on the back. Daylight and dark difference, clarifier mod, regulator, upgrade, cap upgrades, you name it, it's got it. Your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bump bump.
Get your Truckerized tune today. Truckerized. Get wise and get Truckerized today.